Hey guys, what's up? It's Brooks Lake and welcome to our World Playground channel. I have something fun and exciting for you today. You're looking at me right now from my Traeger Ironwood 885. This guy right behind me, however, Traeger just came out with a brand new grill. It's their FLATROCK flat top grill, and I have a brand new one sitting right down here. I'm about to unbox this for you and take you through the setup of it, of our brand new FLATROCK flat top Traeger grill. Woo! Oh, we got a nice little note right here. Start here to get fired up. Let's do a little setup here. Here is the reveal we've all been waiting for, the brand new Traeger FLATROCK flat top grill. The packaging is exceptional, the way we expect from Traeger. Excess packaging, oh, it's just like Christmas. As with most Traeger stuff, it comes pretty set up. It looks like we don't have to put a lot together. We'll take this guy off. So here's the front of the grill right here. The lid opens this way. Now to get it out, the sides of the box are stapled together. So on the one side, there we go. Heavy duty cardboard. Take our knife. Got more components down here. Okay, let's get this thing out of here. It is very, very big. Now we gotta get some legs on her. The Traeger has the hinged lid. Look at that, that's beautiful. And here are our legs. Here's a hardware kit. So Traeger always provides you everything you need to assemble the product. It's wonderful, thank you kindly. The nuts and bolts, additional hardware, our cord. Nice little box with all of your components. It has a QR code right here where you can scan for animated instructions. So again, Traeger does it right, but you don't need this, you got me. It's what you came for. We're unboxed, now we're about to put the legs on it. So I'm gonna turn the Traeger upside down and then we're gonna mount the legs on it from there. So for this, I'm gonna call my man Jack. He's right behind this camera. Come here, brother. So let's talk about the versatility of the FLATROCK grill. So this is where you're gonna fall in love with it. So down here you can see it's got 3 premium stainless steel U-burners. You can have one of them set to cook high, so you can sear steak on this side, and then it has these heat shields in between. So if you look between the U-burners right here, you've got heat shields, 2 of them. So you can cook right here, if you want to sear steak right here, you're cooking breakfast, and then on this side you want to do some pancakes or eggs at a lower or medium temperature. The hot from here on this side is not going to bleed over to disrupt the temperature of the cooking surface over here. Now it's time to add the cooking surface. So the cooking surface right here, the FLATROCK specs, it's 33 inches wide by 18 inches deep. Let's pull this guy out. She's heavy duty. We're going to pull him out and we're just going to set him in. Now you have a recessed cooktop, which is unique to Traeger, and the reason they do that is 2 reasons. One, the recessed cooktop, these side edges will block the wind when you're cooking, especially you're out in campsite somewhere, you're cooking outside and there's a windy day. The recessed edges, or the edges, are going to block that wind, which allows you to cook faster and save fuel, save your gas as you're cooking with propane here. And then the hinged lid right here also is going to break wind, so you have a wonderful cooktop right here. And the way this is designed is going to keep all of your heat on your cooktop and block the elements. Now the other thing that Traeger has done really well on the FLATROCK is given you dual 17-inch folding shelves. So on each side of the FLATROCK you got 17-inch folding shelves. This allows you lots of space to prep and stage your food as you are cooking. So right here is a wonderful little fuel gauge. You push this button right here, and when you're plugged in, these little indicator lights will light up telling you how much propane is left in your tank so that you don't pull a Brooks and run out of propane halfway through your cook. So the entire setup takes about 15 or 20 minutes, especially if you have a good man like Jack helping you. But if you're by yourself, it'll take you 20, 25 minutes. You can easily set this up by yourself. Now the 3 points I want to just touch on about the FLATROCK. One is the sturdy build. You'll notice that when you get it, as Traeger does it, it's a sturdy, premium, high quality build that Traeger is known and trusted for. The second is the aesthetic. It looks beautiful, right? At my lake house, I want something that's gonna look beautiful. So if you have this on your patio, close to your house, at your lake house, wherever, it's a beautiful flat top grill. And the third thing is the ultimate cooking experience that Traeger is known for, right? So the heat dispersed, not only where the heat disperses to, but also where it's sheltered from wind, and then also inside the heat shields, which allow you to cook hot here, medium here, low here, any which way. How do you disperse the heat on the flat top grill is one of the key components of the flat rock. That's just so rewarding. I love doing that. That's it for now. Thank you for watching this. Traeger, love you guys do it right. Spring and summer are on their way. This flat rock just launched a few days ago, so you can click the description down below, find more information, grab yourself one. You're gonna wanna have your friends over and put on a display on the flat rock. Thank you everybody that's watched this. Appreciate you good people. We'll see you very, very soon. Thank you, Traeger. Love you.